Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to the Free Auto Mechanic YouTube channel. Today we're going to be discussing some lighting, and specifically we're going to be talking about the lights that you strap on top of your head. I got this clutch kit. I'm getting ready to crawl underneath this Jeep and put it in, and if you can look, you can see just how dark it is underneath there. It makes it pretty difficult to get the job done sometimes. Now, if you're in a studio and you have studio lights like these, you can just chuck one of these up underneath there and get her done, right? Well, not everybody has these or needs to have them. So it's nothing new. I've had one for a long time. This is an old school style. Straps on your head. You can see the strap is completely wore out. It's frayed in some places. Now this one still works. Turn it on, lights up. Problem is, this one relies on AAA batteries, and we know those are getting kind of expensive these days, and you got to keep replacing them. So you got to have a box of batteries over in the corner, and you just got to keep buying them and buying them. You don't need that. So we'll chuck that to the side. Next option, I purchased from, I forget who I bought them, through Amazon. I found a kit that comes with two headsets, and I thought, well, great. I'll have one for here, I have one for over at the shop. That'd be fantastic. Well, it doesn't work so good. These are rechargeable. They got a nice beam light that goes across there, which is kind of cool. A little side flashlight. The problem is you charge them up and they're dead within a couple of hours. You gotta get the other one and strap it on your head just to try and finish the job. And if you didn't get this plugged in and charged up, by the time this one dies, then you're just out again. And that doesn't get the job done. So we've moved on. That's what I'm going to tell you about this deal right here. SOFIRN. This is a little more high end. The other style is a little less expensive. Sometimes you get what you pay for, right? So let's take a look at what's in the box. Apparently we need to remove a little tab in there. A nice user manual. Nice new headband. Charge cord. Some extra O-rings. And the unit itself. Got a little bit of weight to it. Sign of good quality. And let's see, it said to remove the piece of paper. Remove. Put this back on there. And I want to stress this will feel like it's tight, but there's a rubber O-ring right here. You go past it, keep going, and now we're tight. Otherwise, it won't turn on. Got an amber lens protector here. Peel that off of there. And we're in business. That's just this one side light and up. It's got 4 over here and 1 over here. And you can change the brightness. That's still just the one. So that's pretty bright. So I had to look in the manual for a second and we turn it on. And if I hold that down, no, let's see. Hold that down. And switch back and forth in between the different modes. So you can have them all on or just this side over here. And I don't know about you guys, but if I'm going to use it, I want them all on as bright as they can go. There. Every one of them on as bright as it can go. That's what we want. And then a simple on off. And that's set up the way I like it. And it's got some grooves in here that allows you to snap this on and adjust the angle you want it. and it will stay. It's kind of nice. You need to charge it. Plug into your USB-C charger right here. Now, something I should point out, speaking of the charger, charge cord, in case it's important to you, both ends on this one is USB-C. So keep that in mind. You can adjust the light and it will stay. That is invaluable. We can get up in here, see what we need to see, get right to our bolts. No problem. Anything you need to look at, the light's right with you. There's no more trying to hold the flashlight in areas. Anybody that doesn't have one of these, or has a friend, a spouse, a son, a kid, a dad, a grandpa, this would make a really nice Christmas gift, or just a gift in general. Come in real handy. I haven't had this in possession long enough to know exactly how long the battery lasts on it. The size of the battery, I'm thinking it's going to last all day for you. And something else that's really nice, if this battery ever does have an issue, I can buy another one. The other ones, you just have to throw those away. This is about to get a workout. Thanks for watching.